Hello friends, in today's class we will discuss most repeated nursing questions for all upcoming nursing officer CHO staff nurse exams. Question number 1. Normal compression to ventilation ratio is 30:2, 50:2, 2:30 and 50:1. Correct answer is option 1, 30:2. Next, while using a cardiotopogram, the given fetal heart rate to uterine contraction relation shows the fetal heart rate gradually decreases, returns to baseline, but the nadir of the deceleration occurs after the peak of each uterine contraction. Early deceleration, late deceleration, variable deceleration, and acceleration. Correct answer is option 2, late deceleration. Next, contraindications of nasopharyngeal airway is skull base fracture, sedated patient, unconscious, during dental procedures. Correct answer is option 1, skull base fracture. Next, complication of high flow of ventilation, aspiration, pneumothorax, diaphragmatic hernia, COPD. Correct answer is option 2, pneumothorax. Next question. Identify the FiO2 rate in the given Venturi mass. 40%, 31%, 60%, 28%. Correct answer is option 1, 40%. Next, a patient has a calcium level of 7 mg per dl. Identify ECG changes seen in this patient. T wave inversion, prolonged QT interval, prominent T wave, peak U wave. Correct answer is option 2, prolonged QT interval. Next, identify the abnormality seen in the patient pH 7.25, PCO2 40, HCO3 22, sodium 150 and chloride 100. Metabolic acidosis, respiratory acidosis, metabolic alkalosis, respiratory alkalosis. Correct answer is option 1, metabolic acidosis. Next, during suctioning, the patient complains of respiratory distress. First nursing action should be immediately remove suction catheter, suction rapidly in 5 seconds and remove the catheter, call senior nurse, call doctor immediately. Correct answer is option 1, immediately remove suction catheter. Next, the earliest symptom of hyponatremia is fatigue, ataxia, thirst, weakness. Correct answer is option 1, fatigue. Next, the earliest sign of hypocalcemia is twitching, negative Chostak sign, weakness, X-rated DTRS. Correct answer is option 1, twitching. Next, patient has vitals, BP 120/66, pulse 88, SpO2 99, respiratory rate 23. This patient should be classified in which triage? Red, yellow, green, black. Correct answer is option 3, green. Next, patient having temperature 104 degree Fahrenheit, BP 140/90 mmHg, respiratory rate to 28 per minute. Pain scale 5. Which factor you will primarily manage in this patient? Correct answer is option 1, temperature 104 degree Fahrenheit. Next, patient have temperature 103 degree Fahrenheit, heart rate 110 per minute, respiratory rate 23 per minute, BP 132 by 66 mmHg. Which factor you will primarily manage in this patient? Temperature 103 degree Fahrenheit, heart rate 110 per minute, respiratory rate 23 per minute, and BP 132 by 66 mmHg. Correct answer is option 1, temperature 103 degree Fahrenheit. Next, according to ABC, which of the following describes improper cardiac circulation? Correct answer is option 2, diminished pulse. Next, during IV administration, which of the following drug causes extravasation and damage to side? Correct answer is option 3, phenytoin. Next, the translumination procedure is done with. Correct answer is option 1, venipuncture. Next, in a 3-year child, which of the following is the best complementary feed that can be given to this child? Correct answer is option 2, dal rice. Next, a child is on CPAP and is hemodynamically stable. Which of the following is the best method of feeding this child? Correct answer is option 2, nasogastric feeding. Next, in a 4.5 mm ET tube, what size of suction catheter is used? Correct answer is option 1, 10 French. Next, WHO declared COVID-19 a public health emergency on. Correct answer is option 2, 30/01/2020. Next, the normal interval of the QRS complex is. Correct answer is option 1, 0.08 second. Next, the flow rate of a drug is shown as 50 ml in 15 minutes. The correct flow rate of this drug is. Correct answer is option 3, 200 ml per hour. Next, for a patient, the desired dose of a drug is 200 mg VD. The available dose of this drug is 0.1 gram. The correct doses for one dose of this drug is. Correct answer is option 2, 2 tablets. Next, desired dose of morphine for a patient is 0.4 mg. Dose available is 1 mg per ml. The correct formulation for this patient is. Correct answer is option 1, 0.4 ml. Next, an asthma patient comes to emergency with complaints of wheezing and chest pain. What should be the flow rate of oxygen for this patient? Correct answer is option 1, 2 liter per minute. Next, in a patient, apical pulse is 80 per minute and radial pulse is 65 per minute. Identify pulse deficit. Correct answer is option 2, 15. Next, in a newborn, Apgar score is at 1 minute is 7. Nurse found that the baby's mouth corner is stained with secretions of meconium. What is the next best step? Correct answer is option 3, perform the suction of mouth and nose. Next, function of zinc in management of diarrhea is? Correct answer is option 3, maintains hydration.